Welcome to our video showdown between two popular smartphone video rigs, the PICTRON U200 and the SmallRig Universal Phone Cage. Today, we will explore their features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you decide which rig is best for your videography needs. Let's dive in. The PICTRON U200 stands out with its all-in-one design, integrating a ring light and stabilizer, making it user-friendly for quick setups. In contrast, the SmallRig Universal Phone Cage offers a modular approach, allowing users to customize their rig with various accessories, catering to more advanced videographers. When it comes to portability, the PICTRON U200 is more compact and easier to carry around, making it ideal for on-the-go shooting. On the other hand, the SmallRig, while sturdy, can be bulkier due to its modular design, which may not be as convenient for quick travel. The PICTRON U200 includes an integrated ring light and power bank, providing excellent illumination and convenience for users. In contrast, the SmallRig focuses on expandability, offering multiple mounting points for accessories, allowing users to create a tailored setup for their specific needs. In conclusion, the choice between the PICTRON U200 and the SmallRig Universal Phone Cage ultimately depends on your filming style and needs. If you prefer a simple, all-in-one solution, the PICTRON U200 is a great choice. However, if you value customization and professional-level setups, the SmallRig is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.